back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching Thais more and more. Let's get started. Starting from the first teaser, Nayeon's part, we will stand here, face the diagonal on the right, and we go down on 2. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Return to the other diagonal, go 5, and the 6, 7, 8, and
너와 원잇 입에 바른 소린 이제 그만할게 Cause I deserve it 혹시 잠깐 내가 미워지더라도 걱정 안 할게 Cause I know you
for watching this tutorial, and the dance break tutorial will be out on the next video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe me. Don't forget to follow my Instagram as well. Till next time, bye bye.